planning for an Egypt adventure and confused about what to pack? Allow us to guide you through the labyrinth of preparation. This video is your map to mastering the art of packing for an Egyptian adventure. Packing smart isn't just about saving space, it's about enhancing your travel experience. The right items can transform your journey from the bustling markets of Cairo to the awe-inspiring pyramids of Giza. Stay tuned to learn about the packing hacks that will make your trip to Egypt unforgettable. First things first, let's talk clothing. When you're packing for an Egyptian adventure, it's crucial to remember that the country is known for its hot desert climate. This calls for lightweight, breathable clothing. Think cotton and linen. These materials will help you stay cool under the Egyptian sun. But it's not all about beating the heat. Egypt is also a country with a conservative culture, and it's important to respect that. So, when you're selecting your outfits, opt for modest attire. This means covering your shoulders and knees, especially when visiting religious sites. Now, let's not forget about sun protection. The sun in Egypt can be intense, so make sure to pack a hat and a pair of sunglasses. These will shield you from the sun's rays and help you avoid the discomfort of sunburn. Remember, breathable, conservative clothing will keep you comfortable and respectful during your Egyptian adventure. Aside from clothing, there are some essentials you can't leave behind. Let's delve into what these essential items are. First off, sunscreen is a must-have. Egypt's sun is stunningly beautiful, but it can also be harsh. You'll want to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, so pack a high SPF sunscreen. Next, hydration is key. The Egyptian heat can be intense, and it's easy to get dehydrated. Therefore, it's a good idea to carry a reusable water bottle. Not only will it keep you quenched, but it's also a more sustainable choice. Now, let's talk about footwear. When exploring the awe-inspiring pyramids or ancient temples, you'll be doing a lot of walking. Therefore, comfortable walking shoes are a must. Trust me, your feet will thank you later. And of course, you wouldn't want to miss capturing the breathtaking sights. Whether it's the majestic Sphinx or the bustling markets of Cairo, a good quality camera is essential. It's not every day you get to see such historical marvels up close. Lastly, don't forget your travel documents. Your passport, visa, and any other necessary paperwork should be packed securely. Consider using a travel document organizer to keep everything in one place. With these essential items in your bag, you're ready to explore Egypt without a hitch. Now that we've covered what to pack, let's talk about how to pack. First off, instead of folding your clothes, try rolling them. This technique not only saves space but also reduces wrinkles. Secondly, packing cubes are a game changer. They help organize your suitcase and make it easy to find what you need without turning your bag into a chaotic mess. Now, let's talk toiletries. Opt for travel-size items whenever possible. They're lighter and they comply with airport security regulations. Plus, they leave more room in your suitcase for other essentials. And speaking of room, here's a pro tip. Always leave some space in your suitcase. You might be wondering why. Well, Egypt is known for its rich history and captivating artifacts. And trust me, you'll want to bring home a piece of that history in the form of souvenirs. With these packing hacks, not only will you have everything you need, but you'll also have room for those precious souvenirs. There you have it. You're now ready to embark on your Egyptian adventure. Let's recap some of the key points we've covered today. When it comes to clothing, remember that breathable, conservative attire is your best bet to stay comfortable and respect local customs. In terms of essentials, don't forget items such as sunscreen, a reusable water bottle, and a good pair of walking shoes. These will make your trip not only more comfortable, but also more sustainable. And lastly, we've shared some packing hacks to make your packing more efficient. Roll your clothes instead of folding them, use packing cubes to organize your suitcase, and remember to leave some space for the incredible souvenirs you'll surely pick up along the way. Remember, preparation is key. With the right packing, your Egyptian adventure will be a trip to remember.